What's good, what is good, my ancestors? We're back again with another video, and today we are at the Luxor. Luxor may seem like they are not bringing their A game, but they seriously have 3 different Starbuckses. I mean, if that's not bringing your A game, I don't know what is. Also, people say it's haunted, but I'm just putting that out there. So the Pyramid Cafe is a cute little spot to get some breakfast, and they're open daily from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Their sportsbook is so small and intimate, but it's also spacious at the same time. There's also this really cool bar across the way from it, but this is where they film America's Got Talent. And this deli, oh my gosh, Backstage Deli is amazing. I highly recommend it. That is like the best food I've ever had at any casino. Like I mentioned earlier, Luxor may not seem like a lot, but they offer shows such as America's Got Talent, Blue Man Group, Fantasy, and Carrot Top. Like, come on, that's awesome. Also, before you guys ask your questions, yes, I do have a room tour available, and I do have the buffet video. Boom. Did I beat y'all to it or what? Like, come on. I deserve some props there. That was some exquisite planning. You're welcome. So, to my understanding, HyperX is like some video game spot where you can literally sit and play video games. Public House has some really good burgers. I'm talking, oh my goodness, burgers. On the second floor, you will find Diablo's bar, store, and their restaurant. And I'm not a fan of Mexican food, but let me tell you, this food is amazing. I have no words to describe it. You guys should really go check this out if you stay, or even if you come to Vegas, like just come to this spot because this spot is really good. So another really cool thing Luxor has to offer is that they have a Bodies exhibit and Titanic exhibit. And honestly, I've heard such great things about these. Like, everyone loves it, and I've always wanted to go. So I would highly recommend taking your children. So this is the Atrium showroom. This is where they have their shows like Fantasy, Carrot Top, and Blue Man Group. So the food court may not look like much, but it has all the best options. You have Nathaniel's, Johnny Rockets, a pizza joint, and some subs, plus the other Starbucks. And here is the Luxor's version of a chapel so you guys can get married at. I love the exterior of this though. Like, come on, it gives me such New York vibes. It's amazing. And there's the last and final Starbucks, by the way. I have the tram all to myself. So something I did fail to mention is that the tram that takes you to the Luxor, the Excalibur, and Mandalay Bay is all free. And there's a tram that takes you from Mandalay Bay to Excalibur. It's called the Express Tram, but that was closed when I did this video. So yeah. Now, before we talk about it, yes, there are a lot of people at the Luxor pool. However, I guess on Sundays they do a thing called Temptation Island, and guess what? It was Sunday when I filmed it. So there's a lot of people here. Now this casino is really cool because not only do they have 4 pools, but they all have really nice views of the exterior and of part of the strip. Also, please keep in mind that the pools, all 4 of them, are 3.5 feet deep, nothing higher, nothing lower, but I'm running out of time, so if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below other videos I should do, and smash that subscribe button while you're at it. Toodles!